Back from the grocery store. I got a whole bunch of groceries. Thought I'd show you guys what I got. I just got some red skin potatoes. I like to always have those on hand. Eggs, raspberries, tomatoes. I wanted to try this rice for dinner tonight. I'm making like a Mediterranean type of bowl. Chicken for tonight's dinner. I'm gonna make tacos tomorrow. Marinate my beef in this. Bananas, coffee creamer, cucumbers, romaine. These crunchy tacos, and it's so funny because I picked up the organic ones that they had. They're supposed to be healthier, and these only had, I think, 3 ingredients compared to the organic ones. They had like 6, 7 ingredients. I'm like, wow. So I picked up that zucchini and squash for tonight's dinner. I think that's squash, yellow squash, yeah. Sour cream, lime, making my own homemade salsa, avocado, Honeycrisp apples, celery hearts, tzatziki for tonight's Mediterranean dinner, and then I wanted to make a what's it called, rice pudding. So I picked up this, and then some more tomato sauce, lemons, some tortilla chips, and then spinach. Are my delicious Mediterranean bowls. I have my chicken, my grilled zucchini and squash, onion. I chopped up some cherry tomatoes. I made a little salad. Have it on a bed of rice with some tzatziki. Looks so freaking good. So I am about to go to my mom's house. I am getting this cupping therapy done that I've done a couple years ago actually. And it's this guy named Patrick. He's called Mobility Mechanic on Instagram. He does all kind of like pro athletes, and I believe like he trained in Thailand or somewhere like that. And he's super, super talented. He kind of does more than cupping. He kind of like stretches you. I don't really know how to explain it. It's just crazy. But I've been having really, really bad like hip problems recently. Like in the gym when I do any type of unilateral movement, like my eyebrow's crazy, like a split squat or a lunge or anything like that, I literally cannot walk for days. I had to take a week off of the gym because I truly was like limping around. So I'm really hoping he can figure it out and see what it is. And I'm going to my mom's to do it because she wanted to see what exactly he does. Because maybe she'll want to do it or whatever. But yeah, I'm really excited, and I hope that this takes away all of my hip pain. I got back from the cupping therapy, and holy shit, this guy beat my ass. He said I was in pretty terrible condition, but that's what it looks like for right now. I should stay like that for about 4 to 5 days. I feel like everyone varies, but basically all of my hip pain has to do with the shoes I'm wearing. He recommends these New Balance shoes, and he says Yeezy slides are like the best inside shoe to wear. So instead of slippers, gotta wear my Yeezy slides. And I'll definitely link down the New Balances down below that he talked about. So I have to wear those while lifting. I cannot do cardio in them though, just strictly lifting. Those are my best lifting shoes. So gotta order those. They're not the cutest, but they are good for the freaking hip that I have been injuring like crazy. I just got in a Skims order. I ordered a bunch of pieces, and I'm gonna make a separate Skims try-on haul for you guys, so keep a lookout on my channel for that. So I'm so excited to try these pieces on and let you guys know how I like them. I just want to tell you, sorry, I'm babysitting my sister's dog again this week. She went to Chicago this morning and she's playing with her little toy. But I just wanted to tell you, my brother-in-law recently like stopped eating gluten. He's kind of the one that like persuaded me to cut it out. Not persuaded me, but he was just telling me about how he felt. So I'm like, I need to do it too. And I ate gluten last night for the first time in 2 weeks, and he gets really severe allergies, and he gets super messed up when he eats gluten. And I'm like, okay, he must have celiac. And I didn't think I'd react that way, but I ate gluten last night. When I tell you today, the brain fog that I have, I'm so dizzy. I cannot do anything. I feel so weak. I feel like absolute and utter shit. I cannot believe that gluten does this to my body. It makes me never want to eat it ever again. But I'm supposed to have like such a productive day and get so much stuff done. And I was supposed to film a couple like haul videos, and I literally am just so out of it. I want to go to the gym this morning. I just couldn't. I'm like, I'll literally faint or something. So I'm gonna try to go tonight. Hopefully I'll feel better by tonight. Sit in the sauna, try to get like sweat all these to detox my body, so everything out. And I have to go to the dentist today to get my new Invisalign trays, and I just like don't have the energy or the capability to do it, but we are going to push through somehow. You guys, I've been taking off all of my curtains little by little today, washing them on a gentle cycle and just putting them back up. Don't forget to wash your curtains because they collect so much dust just sitting there. So I'm trying to like spring clean my house. I want to start washing the windows and a bunch of other things that, you know, you don't clean as often as the rest of the house. So we're starting off with curtains. Hi guys, I'm filming some TikToks and YouTube videos, and I'm getting really tired, so I'm gonna show you guys how I make this delicious iced coffee that I cannot stop drinking. Homemade. You're not gonna want Starbucks anymore. Trust me on this one. The first thing you're gonna need is an espresso pod. I just have these ones from the actual Nespresso store, and you can use obviously any pod that you prefer, but let me show you. Whole milk in here, and if you didn't know, also first large setting in the coffee, and then I added whole milk in here. And if you didn't know, you just hold this down until it turns blue, and that's how you get a cold froth. So I'm gonna let that brew and then let that froth up. So I have my brewed coffee, and I added a little bit of cinnamon, and I just mix it up while I wait for my milk to froth. And the key is to add in all of the like cold ingredients, like the milk, and then I add a splash of this so the ice doesn't melt as much. So waiting for my milk, then I'm gonna add that. Actually, you know what? I can throw a splash of silk in right now. That's all you need. My cold milk's frothed. And now we're gonna add in my ice. And here you have the best iced coffee ever. Well, I just got back home from the gym, and I want to show you guys this smoothie I've been making that I'm obsessed with. It's the Peanut Paradise from Tropical Smoothie, but I make it at home, so it's like way better. So what you're going to need is one banana. I'm like getting sick of eating eggs every day. I just needed to switch it up. So I'm like, I'm gonna have a smoothie instead. And the browner your banana is, like the older, the better, because it's a lot sweeter. Which I don't have right now, but we're doing what we have. Then I'm going to do a tablespoon of this Greek yogurt. And then I'm going to do some almond milk. I kind of just eyeball the almond milk. If I need more, I add more. And then I have crunchy peanut butter. I know drip is not good, but this is just what I have right now. And you don't need crunchy, just what I have, like I said. And then I do another like heaping tablespoon. Then I have this chocolate protein powder. I'm gonna do 1 scoop of this. Don't mind all my broken, messed up nails right now. And then we are gonna add some ice. Time to blend. That consistency though. You seriously need to try this. This tastes like a Reese's peanut butter cup. It is my favorite smoothie ever. I cannot stop drinking them. You guys, John cleaned up our little patio so well. We keep our little mini barbecue right here because we hate having to go downstairs. But it was so dirty and dusty and spider webs everywhere, so we cleaned everything off. I took the cushions, covers off of the cushions, just washed them. I'm about to put them on. And he says he wants to get a new light for here. We want to like hang some string lights, make it just kind of cute for the summer, even though it's super small and whatever, but it's cute to hang out here. Good morning, you guys. Oh my god, my hair. Why do I not look at myself when I leave the house? I just got my eyebrows done. They were so freaking hairy. It was disgusting. But I woke up, I wanted to be the first one here because I knew it would be so packed for Easter weekend. Made it, and I was literally the first one, so it was a great day. Now I have to go to the mall, return some stuff, and I have to be back by 12 o'clock for my nail appointment. Should I show you guys my nails? Expose myself like that? It's literally embarrassing. I haven't gotten my nails done since Miami. They're all breaking and chipping, and it's embarrassing. I've never walked around this terrible in my life. But the nail spot is kind of far from here. My normal nail girl was booked because I waited too freaking long to book my appointment. So I'm going somewhere new and I'm really nervous, but we'll see how they come out. So mall, the nails, UPS, and yeah, busy self-care day. I gotta wax my stash when I get home as well. But let's go to the mall. You guys, I just left the mall. I was in and out within 30 minutes, actually less. I was just kind of browsing around and shopping. I was gonna buy some stuff at Aritzia, but they were having a little workers meeting, and I'm like, I'm not gonna wait around. I'll just freaking order it online because I have to pee so bad and I'm so hungry. So it's only 10:30 and I actually have time to go home, make a little breakfast before my nail appointment at 12. And I'm freaking on it today. We're getting shit done. But I went into Sephora and I instantly got a headache from all those fragrances. I've become so sensitive to like fragrance. I went to someone's house recently and they had so much plugins in, and it just gave me a headache. Like, they make me sick to my stomach. I cannot believe how much I used to have them in my house. The plugins from Bath & Body Works, but instant headache. So, okay, you're gonna let me go? All right, thanks. But time to drive. I got to go home. And made this smoothie that I've been drinking every single damn day. Real quick. I'm gonna spill it on myself because that's just who I am as a person and I'm wearing light colors. But I have 25 minutes until I gotta go. And then we are off to do the nails finally. Look like a real human again. I didn't go to my nail girl like I mentioned, but this lady still did a pretty good job. Not as pointy as I like, but I can't complain compared to what the hell I had. So happy that's done. I did Let's Be Friends by OPI. I feel like it's a perfect little neutral color. But I'm just getting gas right now, and I am like starting to get super tired. And I just kind of need to chill for a minute. So that's where I'm at for today. I also need to go and get some food for dinner. I want to make fish. John wants to barbecue branzino, but I need to get like this certain little tray thing in order to put it on the barbecue, because I don't really want to put it straight on the barbecue. And I'm like too tired to go run around a bunch of places right now. So I feel like I need to go home, chill a minute, and then I'll worry about that later.